Wobbly, wobbly land. Wobbly, wobbly land.
It was morning time in Wobblyland. Dadengar, Molly and Layla were having lots of fun playing in the park. But what kind of game were they playing? A standing still game. It was lots of fun. Num Num was playing a different game altogether, said someone from behind a tree. It was Small Grey,
Oh, yeah.
said Small Grey, as he wondered what kind of a game they were playing. Small Grey liked the standing still game, and Layla was very pleased that Small Grey had joined in too. Small Grey said again. Molly wondered why Small Grey would only say hic.
Do you know this song?
Dadengar told her that Small Grey had the hiccups. Num Num was still playing a different game, said Small Grey. Everyone stood still again. They were all very good at standing still, but, oh dear, Small Grey wasn't able to stand still for very long. The hicks made him bounce, and bouncing wasn't much good when he was trying to stand still. Small Grey wished his hiccups would go away. He tried very hard to stop them, but they just kept popping out. Went the hiccups. Layla thought a hug might help. Molly tried to help too, said Small Grey. Dadengar said that Corley Snake Road might know how to stop the hicks. So Small Grey and Layla went to visit Corley Snake Road to ask him, said Small Grey. Layla explained that they needed to stop Small Grey's hiccups so that he could play the standing still game with them in the park. A standing still game? What fun, said Wobbly Red Man. You can give them to the Merps. You can give them to the Merps, said Corley Snake Road. The Merps like hiccups because hiccups help the Merps to stay bouncy, said Wobbly Red Man, and he bounced off to the park to play the standing still game with the others. So Small Grey went to Lake Street to visit the Merps. Layla went too because Small Grey was a little bit shy. Small Grey and Layla arrived at Lake Street to visit the Merps. They looked around, but there was nobody there, so they sat down to wait, said Small Grey. And just then, somebody appeared, said Small Grey again, said the Merp, and it bounced as it merped. The Merp was a little bit shy too, said Small Grey. One by one, the rest of the Merps came out to listen to Small Grey's hiccups. Small Grey liked the way the Merps bounced and hicked, and the Merps liked the way Small Grey hicked and bounced. Just then, Layla noticed something. No more hicks. Small Grey waited, in case there was another hiccup coming. But nothing happened. The Merps had collected all the hiccups and there were none left. Small Grey was very happy that his hiccups had gone. The Merps were very happy that Small Grey had visited them with his bouncy hiccups, and they bounced and merped and thanked Small Grey. So Small Grey and Layla were ready to go back to the park to the others again, and they said goodbye to the Merps. When Small Grey returned to the park with Layla, he was very happy to find that everyone was still playing the standing still game. This time, Small Grey could join in because he had no bouncy hiccups left. Small Grey was very good at standing still now. Everyone was playing the game together and staying very still indeed. Even Num Num.